Blessings and peace to you, ones. I am Chung Fu. I have come forward into your world at this critical time of transformation, regeneration, and rebirth. I'm here to really bridge for you from that very human place where you are now incarnate to that deep soul of you that resides within the divine heart that is one with the Creator. And as I come forward, I call forward also your higher self, your divine self that is connected to the source of all love, all light. That part of you that is one with the Creator, Creatrix of all life, and who has come here to bring your love forward into the world, to bring your light to shine, to bring truth into being, and to manifest the divine plan here upon the earth, the divine plan which is to create a golden age, an age of love, truth, connection, harmony, peace, joy, freedom. An age within which souls remember why they are born into incarnation, what evolution really is, that brings you into divine awareness within yourself, that enables you ultimately to manifest, to embody divine presence in your life, which is love, which is beauty, which is truth, harmony, peace, and the freedom to be the wholeness of your being. Within you, you have powers that can be awoken, and within you, you have wounds which are oftentimes hidden and need that power to be awoken in order to retrieve the parts of you that may be stuck within those places of wounding. And so this is the work I do with you, to help you understand those parts that are hidden, to help you reveal them. The situation in your world that has been hidden is an exact reflection of where you have been hidden and where you have accepted what seems to be true instead of regenerating within yourself the deep truth of your own divine nature. The idea that you could be controlled by anyone is an illusion that you might have agreed with and allowed to resonate and become a reality for you. But I invite you to remember that you are capable of manifesting a divine reality, that you are capable of manifesting a fearless love, that within you is a supreme power of manifestation, and that even the world that you have manifested, full of fear and darkness and cruelty, is still a reflection of your power. You can withdraw your power from that creation and create another world. This is your initiation. This is your chance to do just that. And if you see other things happening around you that you don't identify with and you don't agree with, understand that in that moment where you say that, even internally, you have made a choice. And that is a good choice. For you are here to manifest love, beauty, peace, honor, respect, kindness, compassion, truth. So feel within yourself whether you would like to go on that deep journey where you clear your own being of fears, of negativities, of past pain and wounding. For you are an eternal being. You will come again and again. You may come to this earth again and again, or you may go to other places within the universe, but you are an eternal soul. And you will take with you all that you have created. So if you have fear right now, own it and bring the greater you, your higher self, in your divine being and dissolve it. Talk to yourself and tell yourself the truth. I am the living spirit within. I am the living embodiment of my higher self. I am love incarnate. I am one with the source of all love and light, creator, creatrix of all that is throughout the universe. I invite the solar logos light to fill me with power from the source of my being. I am here now upon the earth, protected, safe. And I bring forward into my life my deep knowing, the divine love within me, my deep compassion and wisdom to share with all beings this time, this opportunity to create together a new reality upon the earth of peace, love, harmony, beauty, truth, abundance for all, equality, deep soul connection and deep understanding that is beyond the mind. Blessings and peace to you ones.